I'm a contributor at Juicebox DAO, and today I'm going to be showing you a new feature that the team at Peel DAO rolled out recently that lets project creators use rich text formatting in their project descriptions. This means that you can add style and organize your descriptions using basic formatting like bold, italics, headings, hyperlinks, adding images, and more. In this video, we're going to use the Juicecast on Goerli as an example. So first things first, make sure that your wallet is connected and head over to your project page on juicebox.money. From here, we're going to click on Manage Project in the top right. And then we're going to click on Basic Details under General in your project settings. Here you'll see two new fields under your project name. You can add a tagline, where you can add a brief one-sentence summary of your project. And below that, we have the project description, where we can add a more detailed summary of what this project is about, why you should contribute, and add some links and images for context. So I'm just going to take some text that I already have written for this project. We'll start with a quick introduction. So we're going to change the About to an H1 heading so that people can easily find what they need to know about us when they're looking at our project description. And next, I'm going to add some hyperlinks to both Matthew and I's name. After that, I'm going to add an image of the Juicecast logo so that you can see the artwork in full detail. You can add photos or infographics that help potential contributors visualize what your project is about. Adding visuals to your project description is really important because it helps break up the text, especially if you have a long description. To add the image, simply click on the image icon, and then I'll click on the image that I want to upload. And below that, I'm going to credit the artist. So I'm just going to say artwork by Sage Kellen, who does all of the juicy artwork for juicebox.money brand. Next, I'm going to add a second paragraph. So I'll add another heading for how to sponsor. This section helps potential contributors understand what I'm selling and why. I'll add another image of our sponsorship NFT below and add a caption beneath it to explain what it is. And then for this, I'm going to put this caption in italics. And last, we're just going to add some socials. So again, I'm just going to make the follow us as a heading, as an H1. And then I'm just going to make sure that everyone's name is hyperlinked. All right, so now that I have everything filled in, I'll scroll down to the bottom and click Save Project Details. This is going to prompt a transaction that I'll confirm in my browser wallet. This could take a minute to save and update on juicebox.money. Once it's done, you can scroll up and click the X, and you'll be brought back to your project page. Once you're brought back to your project page, simply refresh the page, scroll down to the About tab, and you'll see that the new description has been added to your project. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching this video on how to use the new rich text editor for your project description. If you have any questions or need help along the way, jump into the support channel in the Juicebox Discord at discord.gg/juicebox. If you want some one-on-one help with setting up your project, reach out at juicebox.money/contact. And if you want to stay on top of the latest news, features, and trending projects in the Juicebox ecosystem, make sure to subscribe to our weekly newsletter at subscribepage.io/juicenews.